You searched how to buy shares of Customers Bancorp Inc. Customers Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank offering retail and commercial banking services, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CUBI. This video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CUBI to locate the stock. Make sure you choose the listing for Customers Bancorp Inc. so you select the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company snapshot and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the name and ticker CUBI to ensure this is the right share. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. A link to the broker example is in the description if you want to visit eToro for more information.